A double-sided drawing of 16.2. What to do after you get it? First, you have to cut them all out. Here's a little trick. Friends who are not good at cutting, you can take a black marker or marker. Paint the edges. People who don't know will think you are a master of tailoring. Haha! This is also a way for me, a little trash, to show off. Here are the strips cut out from the drawing. Just stick it to the corresponding location. Just put the head aside for now. Glue the legs together from front to back. I'm used to using double-sided tape. It's not that I want the rain in you to fall. It's because it's really useful. You can also enjoy the joy of tearing off double-sided tape. Awesome! After all these are glued, you can use needles to poke holes in your body. Don't ask me why I didn't use a hole punch. One is not that detailed. Second, it is tighter this way. Just put the nails through the back. Convenient and beautiful. Fighting here on the arm. Just do what I do. With nails, first connect the back of the upper arm with the forearm. Then fit the front of the upper arm. The nails are perfectly hidden. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this little nail drawing comes with it. Then I saw some people said that the paper felt too thin. It can't be done at all. Okay for me. The cardboard I usually use for drawing is only 300 grams. As far as I know, the thickness of a single sheet of paper is more than 200 grams. The front and back should be close to 500 grams when put together. And the front of the skirt has not been Listen to this sound. It's enough for me. Anyway, what should I say? Movable paper. This thing requires enough patience. It's easy to make mistakes if you're not careful. It's okay if you have drawings. If you draw it yourself. First, I made a mistake while painting. That will waste more time. I understand this very well. The baby is in pain. Wow, that's why. If someday, can you receive a friend? Movable paper figures made for you by hand. Believe me, it's definitely true love if it is said to be made by hand.